हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
वसुदेव उवाच विदितोऽसि भवान् साक्षात् कः प्रकृते परः केवलानुभवान् आनन्दस्वरूपः सर्वबुद्धिदृक् स एव स्वप्रकृत्येदं दृष्ट्वाग्रे त्रिगुणात्मकम् तदनुत्वं ह्यप्रविष्टः प्रविष्ट इव भाव्यसे ये ते मे विकृता भावात् तथा ते विकृतैः सह नानावीर्य पृथग्भूता विराजं जनयन्ति सन्निपत्य समुत्पाद्य दृश्यन्ते अनुगता इव प्रागेव विद्यमानात्वान् न तेषामिह सम्भवः एवं भवान् बुद्ध्यानुमेयलक्षणैः गार्ह्यै गुणैः तन्नपि तद्गुणाग्रहः अनावृतत्वात् बहिरन्तरं न ते सर्वस्य सर्वात्मन आत्मवस्तुनः य आत्मनो दृश्यगुणेषु सन्निति व्यवस्यते स्वव्यतिरेकतो अबुधः विनानुवादं न च तन्मनीषितं त्यक्तम उपादत्पुमान् त्वत्तोऽस्य जन्म स्थिति संयमान विभो वदन्त्यनीहात् अगुणात् अविक्रयात् त्वयीश्वरे ब्रह्मणि नो विरुध्यते त्वदाश्रयात् पादु उपचर्यते गुणैः सत्वं त्रिलोकस्थितये स्वमायया बिभर्षि शुक्लं खलु वर्णमात्मनः सर्गाय रक्तं रजसोपबृहितं सर्गाय रक्तं रजसोपबृहितं कृष्णं च वर्णं तमसा जनात्यये त्वमस्य लोकस्य विभो रिरिक्षिषुः गृहे अवतीर्णोऽसि ममाखिलेश्वर रजन्यसंज्ञा सुरकोटि योतपैः निर्व्यूह्यमान निहनिष्यसे च मुहुः अयं सभ्यस्तव जन्मनौ गृहे श्रुत्वाग्रजान्स्तेऽन्यवधीत सुरेश्वर सते अवतारं पुरुषैः समर्पितं श्रुत्वाधुनैवाभिसरत्युदायुधः श्रीशुक उवाच अथैनात्मजं वीक्ष्य महापुरुषलक्षणं देवकी तमुपाधावत् कंसाद्भीता शुचिस्मिता
Radhe Krishna, super, very nice, reading so well. You split that part so properly. Vadanti anihat agunat avikriyat. Super, very nice. Tvattosya janma sthiti samyaman vibho. This whole universe, Vishwam Vishnu, no, this whole thing, janma, from where it has come, sthiti, on whom it gets its sustenance, on whom it rests, on whom it functions. Samyama is lie, into whom it disappears at the end. That is you, Vibho. Tvatto asya janma sthiti samyaman Vibho. But this whole creation, this whole existence, this whole sustenance doesn't change you one bit. Avikriyat, no vikhara for you, because you are not touched by any of the gunas. Agunat, avikriyat, anihat, vadanti. The scriptures, the great Mahans, they tell us that you are beyond all this prakriti visesha. Viditosi bhavan sakshat. Purushah prakrite parah. Prakrite parah. This universe is a Prakriti Vishesha. Goddess Leela. We are enjoying in this Prakriti. You are beyond this Prakriti. The only way to know you is through an experience. What experience? Ananda Anubhava Swarupah Kevala Anubhavananda Swarupah Sarva Buddhi Drik. All these buddhis, all these jivas are animated because of you. They see because of you. But you cannot be experienced using this brain or using this mind because you are beyond the Triguna. Srishtvagre Trigunatmakam Tadanutvam hi Apravishtaha Pravishta bhavyase. The only way to know you is to experience that divinity. How does that happen? It happens only because of the grace of reading Dashamaskandam. Read Dashamaskandam, then you will know. Nobody has to do one big lecture. You read that sloka, you will experience that happiness. That is it. Kevalanu bhavananda swarupa sarva buddhi drik. The beginning of creation, all this mahatattva, this ahankara, all that interactions, you have seen in Kapiladeva Uti Samvatam. He says all those mahabhutams were created. They were inert. They did not react with each other. Therefore, the Devas said, please enter those and animate them. So it is said that you entered. Tadanu tvamhi apravishta pravishta eva. It is as if you entered. Why? Why is he saying that? Because in his mind, God is everywhere. He doesn't have to enter something. He's already there, but he's animating it in a different way. Therefore, pravishta iva, aprabishta iva, bhavyase. Got it? Tatanu tvam hi apravishta, pravishta iva, bhavyase. All these bhavas, nana vidya, pratak bhutaha, virajam, rishyante. We say all this. It looks so many different planets, so many different people, so many different things. And we try to make an estimate while living in this created world. Buddhi, anumeya, lakshanaihi. We try to use this buddhi that you are animating, this mind that you are animating, and we try to estimate who you are and how to understand you. But you are beyond all this estimation. Grahair gunaihi, san api tad guna agraha. Agraha. Graha is to get it. Agraha means you cannot be obtained by all this logic. Your experience is obtained because of your anugraha. So some great Mahan looks at you and says, may this devotee, nice, no, let him or her, let this boy, let this girl have this divine experience. They will it in their heart and it happens. Tene Brahma Hrida Ya. That is how the experience comes to you. Sarvasya Sarvatmana Atma Vastunaha. People may not know Abhudaha. The Abudhas will use all other methods to try and get to understand you. Nacha Tanmanishitam. You're not going to be grasped. You're not going to come into their grasp just because they have done some great analysis or they have done some great research. You're not going to be captured by that. Samyak Pumane Tvatto se janmastiti samyaman bibho vadanti anihat agunat avikriyat tvayi ishvare. Tvayi ishvare. Everything, janma, sthiti, samyama, everything is based on you. your Maya is making everything run. Vibharshi Shuklam Khalu Varnam. We consider you to be in white color when you are doing this Sthiti. We consider you to be Raktham Rajasopabramhitam. Rajasa Upabramhitam. When creation is happening, we consider you by the color red. Krishnam cha Varnam. Tamasa Janatyaye. When Samyama is going to happen, when Laya is going to happen, we consider you by the color black. Tvamasya Lokasya Vibho. You have taken this avatara in front of me in this house. Grihe avatirnosi mama. I still know. Akhileshwara. You are the Akhileshwara. You have come because some leelay. You could have finished all these asuras just by sankalpa, but who will then read Bhagavatam? Nothing will be there to read. So you have come to give us this avatara, to give all this nama, to give all these gunas, to give all these leelas. So all these devotees at night time, somewhere in some place, they will be reading Bhagavatam and enjoying. That's why you have been born. That is the main reason. Punzilya. Ravana Samharam, Kamsa Samharam, secondary, Baba. We want the Nitya Leela. Nityam Rasa Vilasa Kriti. That is why Krishna Avatar. So that all of us can enjoy. See the beauty. There is Jnana. Vasudeva's Jnana is very high. Nobody can reach that Jnana. He has explained all this. And see how he is ending his worship. He's saying, I'm still so worried about you, my child. Just now he has said Akhileshwara Tattvasya Janma Sthiti Samyaman Vibho. All that he has said. But affection, the bhakti will overshadow jnana anytime. Anytime. Better weight, worth its weight in gold. This is, the bhakti is so much superior. He's saying, oh, I'm so worried. Kamsa is going to come. Shrutva, he has already killed all your elder brothers. Agrajaste Nyavadit. All these fellows, all these guards are going to tell him, Shrutva Adunaiva, he's going to come and he's going to come with a raised weapon. What do I do? As he's saying all this, the mother, Devaki, has seen. This is Avatar, Mahapurusha Lakshanam. Devaki Tamupadhavat Kamsat Bhita Suchismita. Devaki is worship.